Storm tracker mode is active. I'm tracking round 1 of the preset moving now. It's the rain moving north, and round 2 getting in tonight. Here is storm tracker radar. There's that rain over Waterville, Augusta, Midcoast, pushing north through Ellsworth. Another round's going to come through tonight after we dry out today. Sun and clouds mix. So this storm is a slow mover. The first wave's going to die over us, and then we'll get a re-intensification for another wave of low pressure in the Gulf of Maine. That's going to be tonight into Saturday with mountain snow on the backside and the favored northwest-facing slopes in the upslope regions of the mountains. Speaking of, the next 10 days, we'll get snow in the mountains, mostly light. Higher peaks will see somewhat significant accumulation from this, and then into Monday we dry out, wind picks up, and on Tuesday some rain and snow in the mountains coming through. By Thanksgiving we're drying out with another area, an opportunity of snow on Friday. Same thing inland. There's an opportunity on Friday, Black Friday, for a storm. It's not set in stone, it's not guaranteed yet, but it's definitely going to be colder next week. And one ingredient to getting snow is obviously having cold air. It will be sharply colder next week, even at the coast, although tougher to get snow to stick at the coast this time of the year unless it gets really cold. I'll be tracking updates on that through the weekend. For the first storm that's spinning over southern New England now, right over Connecticut, there'll be breaks in the clouds in southern Maine. This dry slot's going to move in, so we have an occluded front. So what happens is the cold front catches up to the warm front, it becomes occluded, and the preset gets shut off. So a first round of rain ending. The second round is tonight while you're sleeping through midday on Saturday, tomorrow, and we'll have mountain snow to the north. That's the blue you see here on Futurecast. Western mountains, up in the northern mountains, the Boundary Plateau, that's where the snow is going to be. This is not going to be a snowstorm outside of elevation, but it will become a lot breezier tomorrow for sure. Today we get a lull, the gale is going to be dropped, and we'll get the lull in the wind. Here's the wind forecast where there's going to be a break here in the wind. When the storm, the first kind of area of low pressure dies and fades away. And then tonight, we'll get wave of moisture come through that's going to bring wind. And then tomorrow, the wind really picks up as the area of low pressure southeast of Cape Cod in the Gulf of Maine is going to intensify and get stronger. So there'll be a pressure gradient there that'll increase the wind. More than 1 inch of precip still coming. This is additional on Precip Tracker. More rain is coming, which will help with the drought. The latest update from the drought that came in, still severe drought in southern York County, moderate drought expanded to almost the entire state, and the relief is coming right now, and especially tonight and tomorrow morning. Not a drought buster, but we'll take every drop. Southeast wind 10 to 15, the wind lessening, the gale being dropped, just a small craft up today, and then tomorrow I expect it to go back up again as we have that storm well southeast the Gulf of Maine that's going to intensify. Thank you for watching Jason Nappy Weather. More updates coming right here.